Hi guys, hope you're all doing great. Actually I should be saying hi YouTube, but anyways guys, just making a short video here for gold. I hope all of you are good, but I think I've noticed something quite good on gold, so I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. So I believe that gold is looking bearish for the time being. I think it'll be really good if especially guys out there who are still sort of struggling in the market and starting out, and your small accounts, gold will be a great way to to build larger capital. So I'm just doing this for everyone out there. If you look at gold, we are looking at some, I don't know, maybe a few weeks of bearish momentum. Because of what's going on. So I am approximating that this thing should drop from where it is to maybe around here, around 15,000 pips, going down all the way to the 1800 psychological level here. And my reasoning being actually guys, please do like and subscribe. Do like and subscribe for this channel so that I actually get more views and I actually make more content. So do like and subscribe guys, so I keep doing what I'm doing, so that we learn together. So if you look at the daily here, you're going to see that there's a daily high that was set back in March 2022, right? March 2022, it's this high over here, right? And then there's this zone here on the daily, that is the daily zone that was set. And then back in April 2022 and May, right, that's when the zone was actually tagged into. And as you can see here, it formed this M formation here. There, it's an M formation, right? That's an M formation. If you know, I believe everyone knows what an M formation is. So it made that M formation there and tagging into the zone, the daily zone that was set, meaning that price on a larger time frame, it has that sort of M looking formation here. So you'd be looking at it maybe like this: take. That's what we are looking at. So those are the basics, but I'm not saying that that's exactly what will happen. Well, this is forex, and it does take time to play out like that, but that's what it's looking like. So as you can see here, I'm trying to make this as short as possible so that everyone gains information in the shortest amount of time. As you can see here, there was this bearish candle here that that formed on the daily. That candle over here dropped, confirming that this thing was dropping on the, basically confirmed that there was a lot of bearish momentum on the daily time frame. And then it did then drop down to this level, and as you can see over here, there, it successfully closed below that trend line. It's a channel. The channel here successfully closed below the channel on the daily, right? Meaning that the channel was breached, and we should be expecting shorts. And then what I've noticed is that usually for a high probability trade, price would break down the channel, right? Breaching the channel, then pull back into the channel, right, for a retracement. I don't know, I'll be catching sellers there who don't know what they're doing, then subsequently dropping for the larger drop. I've seen this on so many charts. So dropping, this is what we're going to be expecting, right? So as you can see, yesterday on Friday, there was that candle here, this huge bearish candle here, again dropping below the trend line over here, confirming that the sell is imminent, it's coming. And as you can see here, there was a nice trade on Friday on gold. So for me, I would have it would have been confirmed by this bearish candle here, this bearish candle, and I would have wanted my trade to be here, setting my risk, just not too much risk. I don't like a lot of risk. I think I've mentioned in the last video. So here you'll be targeting maybe around here. That's when price should start playing around and retracing, something like that. So this was a good risk to reward trade on Friday that people could have taken. And again, I'm saying that there's bearishness coming, so it should, once gold just breaks this level here, this previous low that it reacted to during this past week, then once it goes below, once it breaks like that, I'm trying to make this very short. Once it breaks like that, then I'm going to start looking for sells there. So basically what I'm going to be looking for is on your 15 minutes, you're looking for your W, your M's, your M formations, your previous highs that are going to be tagged into and forming confirmations that I look at, like your engulfing candles, like your star formations, like your tweezers. That's what I'm going to be looking for, just selling. So basically gold should be selling within the couple of next weeks, the coming weeks. It should be selling. I think we should be expecting that to start even as early as this week. So this is what I'm seeing, and it just, it has and if you look to your left, what happened here with price over there, this whole area of price, it's showing that there isn't a lot of destruction. Like there are no distractions. There are no price levels that are going to be hit and should it would stop price from going down. Like, it's not choppy. Exactly what I think the word that I'm looking for is choppy price action. Like, this is choppy price action. You wouldn't expect price to fall as well as it falls over in this range over here. So it should be a nice drop. Doesn't happen in one day, obviously. It will take time, but it should give a lot of people money when we're selling gold. So that's it. And basically, if you also look at your DXY here, DXY is looking pretty. Sorry for that. DXY is looking pretty bullish for the time being. I don't like DXY. It's USD has been messing me up. But anyways, this is DXY. Your USD index should be targeting this high over here. So once it hits that high, that's when I'll be not rethinking, but I'll go back to looking at my XAUUSD pairs and just rethinking about selling them once it reaches this area. But basically, for the time being, I'm going to be selling gold, and let's look forward to selling gold, guys. It's really wonderful what it does to small accounts, especially. So that's it for me, guys, for today. So thank you, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. Remember to like and comment, guys, so that we can just share. If anyone is interested in joining groups for discussions, just mention it in the comment section, then I can probably add you and we can discuss. It's all about learning, no matter how many years we've been in the market, you still need to learn and learn with others. If you stop learning, that's the day you fail. So here we go, guys. Bearish momentum coming for gold for the coming week and the coming next weeks.